If you're looking for a simple and effective way to set up alerts for vulnerabilities in Tenable, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'm about to walk you through a quick, straightforward method for configuring Tenable alerts, so you never miss a critical vulnerability again. First things first, to get started with Tenable, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already, you can use Tenable completely free from the first link in the description below. And yes, we've got exclusive bonuses just for you, so check that out after watching this video. Now, let's dive right into setting up alerts for vulnerabilities. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the Alerts section on your Tenable dashboard. This is where all your alert management will happen. You'll find the Alerts tab at the top, and once you click on it, you'll be able to create a new alert. Next, you'll click on New Alert to get started. This is where you'll choose your parameters. For instance, you can set the alert for specific types of vulnerabilities or even target certain devices. It's as simple as selecting your preferred conditions, and Tenable will notify you based on these criteria. The third thing you need to consider is choosing the right notification method. Tenable allows you to send notifications via email, Slack, or webhooks. Make sure you select the best method for your workflow. You don't want to miss a critical alert because it didn't reach you in the way that works best for your team. Next thing, decide on the frequency of the alerts. Do you want to be notified immediately when a new vulnerability is detected? Or would you prefer a daily or weekly summary? Tenable gives you flexibility here, allowing you to set alerts to suit your monitoring needs. Now, the fifth thing to keep in mind is your notification threshold. You can configure alerts to trigger only when a vulnerability hits a certain severity level. This means you'll avoid being overwhelmed with minor issues, but still stay on top of the critical ones. The sixth thing is to define your target audience for the alerts. Maybe you only want certain team members or departments to receive specific alerts. Tenable makes it easy to specify who should be notified based on your organizational structure. Finally, after everything's set up, make sure you test the alert to ensure everything works as expected. Run a test scan or trigger an alert manually if necessary. This ensures you're getting the right notifications for the right vulnerabilities. If you've stuck around this long, congratulations! As a bonus, I've mentioned that you have access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Tenable when you use the link below. You can dive right in and start setting up alerts for vulnerabilities without any cost upfront. That's it! You now know how to set up alerts in Tenable for vulnerabilities, making your security management smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to check the link below for that exclusive free trial, and happy scanning!